Hey guys, this is Fundo on Onchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kunzi life hangs in the balance while Isbu envision what what his future will look like without the Kultruka in it. Kultruka and his friend dies and Kapsile take the body of them and move out for being not being suspicious on killing them, and he does not want to bring her name down. While Hlezipi gets abducted and caught by Wanda on the harbor, and it seems like Wanda takes Hlezipi for kidnapping her, and police arrive later when Wanda is out with Hlezipi on the harbor, and it seems like Nosipo will be involved on the business of Wanda and Nunka. And Mondli want Nosipo to be as a lawyer for not being involving on the accident of drugs. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe here for thanks.